Hello, my friends, and welcome. I hope you're doing fine. And today we'll have a look at Exercism.io. Let's jump into it. So here in my desktop, we are having a look at Exercism.io. So what is this site is basically it's a website where you can do programming exercises. So as you can see, here you have 3,450 exercises and across 52 languages. And you can see the languages that are available here. So you see like C#, C#, C++, C. You have also some other stuff like Swift and so on. So we will use Dart, and I'll explain how you install Exercism on your PC. And then we will do the first exercise. So that's free for you. You're welcome. So let's see how Exercism works. So first you will choose a language. So we will choose Dart. After that, you'll have a coding challenge. So you have to complete that. And after that, you upload your solution and review it by a mentor. And then the mentor gives you feedback and says, well, this is good, this is, you can do it the other way around or something else. So as they say here, introducing you to new ideas and techniques. And it's really cool. I use the website all the time. I'm a mentor myself there, but I also started as a student. And my mentor gave me a lot of ideas and it was really amazing. So after that, you upload it and you get the feedback and the mentor approve your code and your solution. And after that, you unlock, other tracks, like other exercises. So, and when you finish, you will be god of programming or something. So let's go and sign up here. So I'll put all my stuff in here and I'll see you in a minute. So after signing in, you get this this window that says please check your email, and then you get your email, and then you basically click on the link, and then this website pops up. And you need, you see here, your email address has been successfully confirmed. And then you have to put your email address and your password again here. So after login, you see here, you need to accept the term of services, you accept the privacy policy, and then you can choose either these or you don't. So it depends if you want to receive emails or not. I'll recommend you to let it there, like to let it checked, because you get email when your mentor basically comment on your solution or gives you some ideas or approve your solution. So you'll get notified and then you can start to work on your solution or the next solution. So it's a good thing, but you can do it as you like. And then you click here, and then that's it. So here you can choose whatever language you want, and you can choose multiple languages. So you're not like, you don't have to choose just one or two or three. You can choose all of them if you like. But as I said, we will start with Dart. So I'll go here and click on Dart. And then you can have a read about this and see what they're saying. You can also see your mentors and some ideas. What will you do? Like these are the exercises and other stuff. So we go here, join the Dart talk. So you have two modes here, or two paths. So the first path is mentor. As I mentioned earlier, like you have to in the mentor mode, you have to upload your exercise, and a mentor has a take a look on your exercise and then says, well, this is good, this is not good, you have to change this, or have this new idea, and submit your solution again. And then after he finish and then submit and approves your solution, after that you are good to go. So the next exercise, basically you reach the next level. It's like Super Mario. You solve the levels one by one. Practice mode is different. So in here, all the exercises are unlocked. So you can do whatever exercise first. You can even choose hard and then go all the way down to easy exercises. So if you're a pro and you just want to basically to improve some skills, you can check practice mode. But we will do the mentor mode for now, so because I'll recommend it to you. So even you're a pro, you can get some ideas, some new stuff that you didn't know about. So we go to mentor mode, continue, and that's it. So basically, these are your exercises. So first you have to do Hello World. And if you finish that, you go to fur and then leap and Scrabble score and so on. You go all the way down. Down here you have extra exercises. So yeah, these you can do, like these two you do it right now. And if you do actually the first one, that's Hello World, and you finish it, you get this one unlocked. So yeah. And now we need to install Exercism on our PC. So I'm here on a Mac. So I'll do it on a Mac, but on Windows, it's basically easy. It's the same. So we go here down here to remind me how to set up the CLI. Click on that. And then you get a wizard to go through the steps. So I'll choose Mac and then say homebrew. If you still didn't use homebrew, no worries. You go to brew.sh and then basically click on this. So it copies this code, pastes it in your terminal, press enter. That's it. It's installed. And you have to check if you're using bash or you're using it's zsh, I guess. So we'll open a terminal and check that first. So to check that is you type echo shell. So I'm using bin sh, and so you change that according to whatever shell you're using. Okay, after installing this, I'll recommend this. It's a nice tool, so you can install programs from your terminal, and it's really easy to do. So after that, you say yes, and then you get these things here. So you go back here, and I'll put it here. So we go line by line. So first thing is to do brew update. So we type that in. And probably it will take, a couple of seconds or maybe minutes. It depends how long you did this. So hopefully it will take just some seconds. Yeah, so that's it. And after that, we install Exercism by doing brew install Exercism. So now it's downloading and then installing. So that's it. So it's really easy as just typing these two words. So here, check the installed version. So we can do Exercism version. So we have version 3.0.13. And here it says it should be at least 3.x. So perfect. We installed all of it. So basically you need to install Dart before that, or Flutter. Flutter is the framework and Dart is the programming language. So if you didn't do that before all of this, just watch some tutorials, or just check on Google how you can install all of this. It should be easy. It's not complicated. I have a German tutorial on this, how to install. Well, it's a full course, to create an app. But I also have a section in there how to install all of this. If you can speak German, so you can have a look on that. But otherwise, maybe I will upload a video on that or not. So let's see. All right. So we're finished with that. Okay, cool. So we go again on exercism.io. Okay, we close this. So this is our track you've joined. We click on that. We click on Hello World. So basically, this is how your exercise looks like. You have on every exercise you have an introduction. So we see the classic introductory exercise. Just say Hello World. Hello World is a traditional first program for beginning programming in a new language or environment. That's a classic. Like if you learn a new language, so that's the first thing you do. It just prints Hello World. That's the first thing you do. So what is our objectives? Write a function that returns string Hello World, run the test, and submit the solution. All right, easy enough. So we go here on the right, and you see here download. We click here on copy, and then go back to our terminal and just paste that in. Okay, there's one small thing to do still. So if you go down here, get help. So installing the CLI, if you go here, so it says configuration. You need to tell the tool who you are. So basically, if you upload your solution, the tool needs to know who you are, and then it channels the solution on the right person. So it says here, Exercism configure token, your API token. So we copy this and then put it. I'll clear the window here. So I'll put this one. So we need the API token still, and that's easy to have. You go up here, and then you go to settings, and this is your CLI token. You copy this, go back here, and then you put it in here. You press OK. So that's it. You've configured. And now we can go back here to Dart, Hello World, and then we can copy this, and hopefully it will say downloaded. Perfect. So it downloads always in your home folder, Exercism, Dart, Hello World. All right. So I'll open Finder here and go basically there. So it's here, Exercism, Dart, Hello World. So these are the files that Exercism downloaded. So you see here lib. Inside lib you have Hello World. So basically we will spend like 90% of our time in lib. Sometimes we have to have a look at the test file here to change some stuff. And yeah, that's it. That's basically it. So we'll open hello world.dart and we'll open the test file here. Perfect. So don't close the terminal because, well, first of all, we will do, we have to go to this path. So I will basically copy this and then say cd to this path. And when I do ls, I see, okay, I'm here. So we have our lib and our text and so on. So in here you do dart pub get. So what this basically do is to take all the dependencies and then so these are the things you need to compile your code basically. Okay, by doing this, we're finished. And as I said, don't close the terminal. So we need to run the test from the terminal in here. Okay, so first of all, we need to, I'll make this. So we'll have, perfect. So we have hello world. You see, we have a class, it says hello world, and we have a string. We have a method. It's a string. It returns a string and it says hello. So put your code in here and we say return basically hello world. Yeah, perfect. And then yeah, that's fine. So don't forget to save. That's important. Okay, so and now we go back to the terminal. How should we do it? Okay, I'll put this here and this maybe like this here. Okay. So, and in here you say dart run test. So basically what this will do, it will go to hello world test dart, because you see here it says main. Pro tip, you don't need main in your hello world, like you don't need main in your lib file because it is in your test file. So I see a lot of students doing this, so don't do it. Okay, so basically this test, that's perfect. I wanted to show you the errors and stuff like that, but we'll get this in a moment. So what this test will do, it will go here and then say and run this test. This is one test. So it says expect run this, and it should be equal to this. So hello world is our class in here, and hello is our method, so it's in here, and it should return a string with hello world. Okay, that's perfect, and it should be equal to this. Okay, so basically we did that. So let me explain some stuff about the results window here, what you see on the terminal. So you see here a +0 in a green. So the plus is basically one test, is a test run positively. Like this test is succeeded. And the minus is a test is not succeeded. If you see here's 0 and here's 1, so we have just one test. And if you go back here to the test file, you see there is just one test in there. So in the future we'll have multiple tests. And just as a side note, there's a skip in there. So it says skip true or skip true. And if it says skip true, so it skips the test. And you will have, I'll type it in there and delete it. You have something like maybe +5. So you have 5 tests successful and maybe -1. So one test failed. And then you have something like this. So this symbolized that you have 3 tests that you skipped. So if you have this, you go to your test file and then say skip false. And then it's, yeah, you should get rid of this. So because we just only have one test, you don't have that skip thing. Okay, so it says here expected and actual. So it expects us, and if we check, you see, okay, we have a comma here, and this thingy, I don't know what it's called in English. So, and it also says which is different, expected, hello world, and then it shows you like, yeah, an arrow, what is missing. So we go back to our Dart file and then say here a comma and this thing, save it and run the test again. And then we see, perfect. So all tests passed, +1, easy. So we go back to our browser here and it says solve, you solve your code. We did that and then submit it. So we copy this and then go back to our terminal and just make sure where you are in the terminal. So we are here, Exercism Dart hello world. And now we need to upload the file, the result or the solution file. Yeah. So our solution file is in lib. If we go here, so our solution, so we are basically here and our solution file is in lib and this is our solution file. So we paste the code that we copied before and then delete all of this. And then we need to go to lib and then hello world.dart. And this is what we have to upload. So enter, and then you see your solution has been submitted successfully. You can complete the exercise and look, yada. So when we update here, you see that your exercise has been submitted successfully. So that's perfect. And now, basically, if you do other exercises, you have to wait until your mentor gives you feedback. But with this one, is just hello world. So there's no new concept you can learn out of this. It's basically you get everything to work and install Exercism and upload your solution file and so on. So we press complete exercise. So well done, thank you. And now you can make your solution public or not. So, and you can allow others to comment or not, and you can put some comments and stuff. Okay, so we go continue. And then you see here Tufer has been unlocked, and also a side exercise has been unlocked. It's called resistor color. Yeah. So continue. Perfect. You can go here and view community solutions, for example. So you can see how people did this. So I'll go back and then choose next exercise. As you see, this is the side exercise, and this is the main. This is the main exercise here and here. So perfect. So we installed Exercism. We had a look at Exercism in general, what it do, and it's really cool platform. So I will recommend you, if you need to do some exercises and then go on and to expand your knowledge, just check Exercism. It's a really cool tool, and choose whatever language you like and go on with that. So I hope this video helps you. If it did, show me with a like and submit my channel. I'll do more videos like this and go on maybe to solve some exercises here. And yeah, see you next video. Steve out. Ciao.